Hello students, now we will try to enter the following transaction into purchase book, in which we are taking GST also, GST, CGST, SGST and IGST. So here is the question: enter the following transaction in the purchase book of Superior Cloth House, Delhi. Okay, this is Superior Cloth House, Delhi. This is Delhi. Okay, then 2017 April 4th. It is purchased from Radhakrishna and Sons, Delhi, wide invoice number 305. 100 meters of cloth at the rate 40 rupees per meter. 80 meters of woolen cloth at the rate 80 rupees per meter. Trade discount 20%. Paid VAT. Here we have this, it is the old book, so VAT we will change with GST. So paid GST 18%, and this GST, when GST it includes CGST and SGST both. So this 18% will be divided into 9% CGST and 9% SGST. Okay. So students, this is the purchase book. So here in the purchase book, with the CGST and SGST, okay, the columns you can see are some extra columns are there for cost, CGST, SGST, IGST, because these columns are shown separate, because this, when whatever CGST or SGST or IGST we are paying while buying, that will be adjusted against the purchases, against the sale we make. That will be that the businessman will receive. So it has to keep, businessman has to keep separate account for that. So separate columns are maintained here. So 2017 for purchased from Radhakrishna and Company, Delhi. That is the local purchase. So here SGST, state GST and central GST both will be collected, and GST is 18%, it will be divided into 9%. So 100 meter cotton cloth at the rate 40 rupees per meter, it becomes 100 into 40, 4000 rupees. And 80 meter woolen cloth at the rate 80 rupees per meter. So 80 into 80, 8 8 just 64 and 20, 6400. And the total amount of this becomes 10,400, and trade discount is given 20%. If we calculate this 20% trade discount, it comes 2080, and when it is deducted, amount comes 8,320. On this amount, after deduction of the trade discount, the GST will be charged. So SGST and CGST 9% and 9% will be charged on that, you know, because this amount will go to the central government account, and this will go to state account. So total is 9,818 here. If we add this GST in that, and total is 9,818. Now this, in this, the cost is 8,320, and on this input SGST is this 749, and SGST is also 749. This we have kept. If some freight would have been paid, for freight a separate column can be made, and the total would be there. Okay, so it is there. Then April 12, purchased from Raghuveer Prasad and Company, Lucknow. This wide invoice number 240 80 meter of silk cloth at the rate 100 rupees per meter, 150 meter cotton cloth at the rate 50 per meter, and trade discount 15% and IGST 18%. Here we can see that it is bought from Lucknow, and the firm is of Delhi, so it is out of the state purchase. So in this IGST will be applied 18%. Okay, is we bought from Raghuveer Prasad. Okay, so Raghuveer Prasad and company Lucknow 80 meter silk cloth at the rate 100 per meter. So 80 into 100, it is 8,000 rupees. And 150 meter cotton cloth at the rate 50 per meter. So 50 into 150, 15 5 is 75, and 00 7,500. If we make the total of this 8 7 15,500 is the total, and then 15% trade discount is given on that, it comes 2,325. Okay, then if we deduct this trade discount from this, from 15,500, if we deduct 2,325, then comes 13,175. On this, GST will be charged because this goods has been purchased from outside the state. So on this IGST will be applied, that we had already studied. So 18% IGST will be charged, that comes 2,372. Okay, when we add this, it comes 15,547. So here the cost is this 13,175, and on this IGST is 2,372. So it is not CGST, not SGST, it is IGST. So we will keep it in the IGST column. Then April 20. Now April 20. Purchased from Modern Furniture House, Delhi, 10 chairs at the rate 200 per chair. Now you can here clearly see that this is the business of woolen cloth, Disney cloth, and here chairs we are buying. So these chairs are not goods for us. So this, as I told you in purchase book, only goods means only those goods are entered in which a business deals with. Here business is not dealing in chairs and table and furnitures, so here it will not be entered. It is just the asset for the business. So these are not the goods, so this will not be entered. Now on 25th, purchase from Hariom and Sons, Delhi, wide invoice number 390, 120 meter of woolen cloth at the rate 70 per meter, and paid GST 18%. So this we have to enter. Okay, thank you. Then this Harrison and Sons, Delhi, 120 meter woolen cloth at the rate 70 per meter. So 12 7 ja 84, and 00 8,400 rupees here. And then on this, if we add the CGST and SGST 9% and CGST 9%, that comes 756 and 756. Then total amount comes 9,912. And in this 8,400 is the cost, 756 is the input CGST, and 756 is the input SGST. Now we will total up the columns. Here the total amount is 35,277. This is inclusive of cost, input CGST, SGST and IGST. Total means whatever total purchases, these are the total cost of total purchases, and on this what are different GST is applied, that is added in that. This 35,000 is that one. Then we will total up the cost, input CGST, input IGST and input SGST. This way this is made, and this one entry will go in the ledger account, purchase account. Okay, so this way with this one entry, this purchase ledger account will be entered, and this way it won't become bulky. Okay, thank you.